What's the meaning of bean curd? Bean curd. Bean curd.
Bean curd. Bean curd. Bean curd, also known as tofu, is a popular soy product that originated in China more than 2,000 years ago. It is made by coagulating soy milk and then pressing the resulting curds into blocks. The texture of bean curd can range from silken and soft to firm and dense, and it has a mild, slightly sweet flavor that makes it a versatile ingredient in many cuisines around the world. Bean curd is a rich source of plant-based protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It is also low in calories, fat, and sodium, making it a nutritious and healthy addition to any diet.